Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining the reaming operation. So let's get started. Now when we talk about reaming operation, reaming is done after drilling. That is, first we have to produce the hole in a given workpiece and then we have to go for the reaming operation, because reaming enlarges the hole which has been previously drilled. And why do we require reaming operation? Because the example is, drills are not available in each and every size. There are standard sizes of drill, but if we want the size of hole which is not in the standard size of the drill, then we have to go for reaming or boring operations. So at first the hole is drilled in the workpiece. Once the hole is drilled in the workpiece, then there is this special tool which is called as the reaming tool, and this tool has multiple cutting edges over it. Then here there is the workpiece, the center line of the reaming tool. Now in order to perform the reaming operation, the workpiece is held stationary, and this reaming operation can be performed. If it is performed on a drilling machine, then the workpiece is kept stationary, the reaming tool is rotated, and at the same time it is fed inside the workpiece, so it removes the extra amount of material, and the feed given here is 0.5 mm to 2 mm per revolution. It means when the reaming tool is completing one revolution, it is fed in the workpiece in the linear direction by 0.5 mm to 2 mm for per revolution of the reaming tool, and then we are going to get the required size or diameter of hole which is necessary or required. Now if the same operation has to be performed on a lathe machine, in that case the workpiece is held in the chuck of the lathe machine, and then the reaming tool is held in the tailstock. Then the workpiece is rotated in an anti-clockwise manner, and reaming tool is rotated with the hand wheel of the tailstock, and at the same time it is fed inside the workpiece which is rotating. So if it is performed on a lathe machine, both the reaming tool and the workpiece gets rotated, whereas if it is performed on a drilling machine, the workpiece is kept stationary and only the reaming tool is rotated and fed into the workpiece. So in short, that was an explanation regarding the reaming operation. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.